In this video, I will be showing you how to add and update name servers from Namecheap account into GoDaddy account. So let's get started with the video process. You can see here, when we add GoDaddy domain in Namecheap account, it says, the domain is pointed to remote name servers. The name servers has to be added to GoDaddy account. First, log into GoDaddy account. In the products page, go to the domain section and click the DNS link corresponding to the domain. And in this DNS management page, click Name Servers tab. Here, these are GoDaddy name servers. You need to click Change Name Servers button. And in this pop-up window, select Use My Own Name Servers. And next, add both the name servers from Namecheap account in these fields, one after the other. And click Save to update the name servers changed in GoDaddy. And done, the Namecheap accounts name servers are updated in GoDaddy. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.